I love ground effects. Yeah. Yeah, this is my best part right here. Woo! I hope Stephanie's here.
She might be.
If she's not, she's gonna miss the whole best.
I got it. They need music. Come on. Not you.
That's I.
Another high one. Smiley. I got that one on video.
I didn't see it.
You did it?
No.
Wow. Oh, don't die on me.
That's dead.
I got 20% battery.
Oh.
It's gonna die.
That's why you shouldn't use it up before.
You're right.
Right. I love those. They had the best fireworks show here. Cary. Gotta get the fair finale, Tommy.
I know, I have to.